How artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the healthcare. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the healthcare industry in many ways. AI applications in healthcare are becoming increasingly popular as they help in improving the accuracy and efficiency of medical procedures. AI can analyze vast amounts of medical data and provide insights that are difficult to obtain through traditional methods. 1. Medical imaging. AI has proved to be a game changer in the field of medical imaging. Radiologists and medical imaging technicians are using AI to improve the accuracy of their diagnoses. AI algorithms can detect even the tiniest changes in medical images, which may not be visible to the human eye. For example, AI can detect breast cancer in mammograms with higher accuracy than radiologists. 2. Diagnostics. AI is also playing a significant role in diagnosing diseases. In many cases, AI can detect diseases before symptoms appear, making it easier to treat them. AI algorithms can analyze a patient's medical history, symptoms, and lab results to provide accurate diagnoses. For example, AI can predict the risk of heart disease in patients by analyzing their medical history, age, and lifestyle factors. 3. Personalized treatment. AI is helping to personalize treatment plans for patients. AI algorithms can analyze patient data, such as genetic information, medical history, and lifestyle factors, to develop personalized treatment plans. For example, AI can analyze genetic information to determine the most effective medications for a particular patient. 4. Drug development. AI is also playing a significant role in drug development. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data to identify potential drug targets and predict the efficacy of drugs. This helps to reduce the time and cost of drug development. 5. Predictive analytics. AI can also be used for predictive analytics in healthcare. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data to identify patterns and trends. This helps in predicting disease outbreaks and identifying patients who are at risk of developing certain diseases. For example, AI can predict the likelihood of a patient developing diabetes based on their medical history, lifestyle factors, and genetic information. 6. Remote monitoring. AI is also playing a significant role in remote monitoring. AI algorithms can analyze patient data, such as blood pressure, heart rate, and oxygen levels, in real time. This helps in identifying potential health issues before they become serious. For example, AI can alert healthcare providers if a patient's blood pressure is too high or too low. 7. Surgical assistance. AI is also helping in surgical procedures. AI algorithms can analyze medical images in real time to provide guidance to surgeons during surgeries. This helps in reducing the risk of complications and improving the accuracy of surgical procedures. 8. Mental health. AI is also playing a significant role in mental health. AI algorithms can analyze patient data, such as social media activity, to identify patterns and trends. This helps in predicting mental health issues and identifying patients who are at risk of developing certain mental health disorders. Conclusion. AI is transforming the healthcare industry in many ways. AI applications in healthcare are helping in improving the accuracy and efficiency of medical procedures. AI can analyze vast amounts of medical data and provide insights that are difficult to obtain through traditional methods. From medical imaging to personalized treatment, drug development, predictive analytics, virtual assistants, remote monitoring, surgical assistance, and mental health. 11 major benefits of artificial intelligence in agriculture. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the agriculture industry by providing innovative solutions to traditional farming problems. AI applications in agriculture are helping farmers to increase crop yields, optimize resource usage, and reduce waste. 1. Precision agriculture. Precision agriculture is the use of technology to monitor and optimize crop growth. AI algorithms can analyze data from sensors and drones to identify plant stress, soil quality, and other factors that affect crop growth. This information can be used to optimize fertilizer and water usage, reduce crop losses, and increase yields. 2. Crop monitoring. Crop monitoring is one of the most significant benefits of AI applications in agriculture. AI algorithms can analyze satellite imagery to detect changes in crop health, identify pests and diseases, and track crop growth over time. This information can be used to optimize crop management practices, reduce waste, and increase yields. 3. Soil management. Soil management is critical to crop growth and health. AI algorithms can analyze soil data to identify nutrient deficiencies, soil compaction, and other factors that affect soil health. This information can be used to optimize soil management practices, reduce the need for fertilizers and pesticides, and increase crop yields. 4. Weather forecasting. Weather forecasting is critical to farming success. AI algorithms can analyze weather data to predict rainfall, temperature, and other weather patterns that affect crop growth. This information can be used to optimize planting and harvesting schedules, reduce crop losses due to weather events, and increase yields. 5. Irrigation management. Irrigation is critical to crop growth, but it can be challenging to manage effectively. AI algorithms can analyze soil and weather data to optimize irrigation scheduling and reduce water usage. 6. Livestock monitoring. Livestock monitoring is another critical area where AI can provide benefits. AI algorithms can analyze data from sensors and cameras to monitor animal health, behavior, and well-being. This information can be used to optimize animal feeding, reduce stress, and improve the overall health of livestock. 7. Pest and disease management. Pests and diseases can cause significant damage to crops and livestock. AI algorithms can analyze data from sensors and drones to identify pest and disease outbreaks, predict future outbreaks, and optimize pest and disease management practices. 8. Food safety. Food safety is critical to consumer health and well-being. AI algorithms can analyze data from sensors and cameras to monitor food production processes, detect contaminants, and identify potential food safety risks. This information can be used to improve food safety and reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. 10. Supply chain management. Supply chain management is critical to agriculture. AI algorithms can analyze data from multiple sources, including weather forecasts, market prices, and logistics data, to optimize supply chain management practices, reduce waste, and increase profitability. 11. Sustainability. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in agriculture. AI applications in agriculture can help farmers to reduce waste, conserve resources, and reduce the environmental impact of farming practices. This can help to ensure that agriculture remains sustainable and productive for future generations. In conclusion, AI applications in agriculture are providing numerous benefits to farmers, consumers, and the environment. Precision agriculture, crop monitoring, soil management, weather forecasting, irrigation management, livestock monitoring, pest and disease management, food safety, supply chain management, and sustainability are just some of the areas where AI is making a significant impact. How artificial intelligence helping in transportation. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a game changer in the transportation industry. It is revolutionizing how we move people and goods, making transportation smarter, more efficient, and safer. AI is being used in various ways in the transportation industry, from self-driving cars to logistics and supply chain management. Here are some ways in which AI is helping in transportation. 1. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars, also known as autonomous vehicles, AVs, are one of the most significant applications of AI in transportation. Self-driving cars use a combination of sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to navigate roads and make decisions without human intervention. AI-powered autonomous vehicles can reduce accidents, congestion, and emissions. Self-driving cars can also help people who are unable to drive, such as the elderly and disabled, to become more independent. 2. Predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance involves using data analytics and AI to predict when maintenance is required before a breakdown occurs. By monitoring the performance of various components of vehicles and analyzing data, AI algorithms can detect potential issues and alert the maintenance team to take corrective action. 3. Traffic management systems. Traffic management systems that use AI can monitor traffic in real time and adjust traffic signals to optimize traffic flow. AI algorithms can also analyze historical traffic data to identify patterns and predict traffic conditions in the future. This information can be used to plan better routes, improve public transportation schedules, and reduce congestion. AI-powered traffic management systems can reduce congestion and improve safety by optimizing traffic flow and reducing the likelihood of accidents. 4. Logistics and supply chain management. AI algorithms can analyze data from multiple sources, including weather forecasts, traffic data, and delivery schedules, to optimize delivery routes, reduce transportation costs, and improve delivery times. Logistics and supply chain management can be streamlined with the use of AI, which can make the transportation of goods more efficient and cost-effective. 5. Aviation. AI-powered systems can monitor weather conditions, flight schedules, and other factors to optimize flight routes and reduce fuel consumption. AI algorithms can also analyze data from aircraft sensors to predict maintenance requirements and detect potential safety issues before they become serious. 6. Improved safety. One of the most significant benefits of AI in transportation is improved safety. AI algorithms can monitor the environment around the vehicle, including other vehicles, pedestrians, and road conditions, to make informed decisions about how to navigate the road safely. AI-powered traffic management systems can reduce congestion and improve safety by optimizing traffic flow and reducing the likelihood of accidents. 7. Enhanced customer experience. AI can enhance the customer experience in transportation by providing personalized services and making travel more comfortable and convenient. For example, AI-powered systems can help passengers to navigate airports and train stations, provide real-time updates on flight and train schedules, and offer personalized travel recommendations. In conclusion, AI is helping in transportation in many ways, from self-driving cars to logistics and supply chain management. AI is also enhancing the customer experience by providing personalized services and making travel more comfortable and convenient.